Caitlin here with Kaylee Kirkpatrick Travel. Just wanted to help y'all out a little bit with downloading photos from the My Disney Experience app. So the first thing you'll want to do obviously is open up your My Disney Experience app and then go ahead and at the bottom of the screen click on the little icon, that's your profile, and then from there it'll pull up all of your My Disney Experience options, and you'll want to scroll down until you see My Photos, and then go ahead and tap on See All Photos. And that'll open up all of your pictures that you've taken with My Disney Experience that you've scanned on your Magic Band. They'll be sorted by different photo pass sessions, and you can click on any of those and that'll allow you to scroll through all of your photos that you've ever taken at Disney, and it'll give you a lot of different options to do with each photo. So if you want to save your photos, obviously hit the Save button, and then you'll pick how large you want the photo to download. I always do the largest possible because you want to upload those to Facebook and look good. You can also edit, and you can add filters and stickers, which are super fun, and then you can also share. So if you wanted to send those as a text message or an email to your friends that are in the picture, that's a really fun option to just go ahead and share straight from the app, so you don't have to save it if you just want to share it with your friends. So I hope that helps, and I hope to talk to y'all again soon.